Have you ever stared at a breathtaking underwater photo and wondered why your own aquatic shots look like a murky blue mess? The secret isn't just your diving skills, it's having the exact right camera for the job. And today, we're fixing that. In this video, I am going to walk you through the 7 best underwater photography cameras available right now, based on my own extensive underwater testing, flooded housings, and incredible ocean encounters. 7. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI promises a lot for action enthusiasts, but left me with mixed feelings during my underwater tests. When I first took this tiny powerhouse down on a shallow reef dive, I was immediately impressed by its rugged build and the fact that it boasts waterproofing straight out of the box without needing an external housing for shallow depths. The magnetic mounting system is also a breeze to use, allowing me to quickly swap it from a selfie stick to a chest mount while treading water. The camera features a surprisingly capable sensor for its size, capturing 4K video with excellent dynamic range when the sun is shining directly overhead. In crystal clear, shallow water, the colors pop beautifully, and the built-in stabilization does a fantastic job of smoothing out the jerky movements that naturally happen when you are swimming against a current. The front and rear touchscreens are responsive, making framing a shot relatively straightforward when you are just below the surface. However, the moment I took the Action 5 Pro deeper than 20 feet, the cracks in its underwater performance began to show quite glaringly. Because of the small sensor size inherent to action cameras, the low-light capabilities dive off a cliff once you lose the bright surface sunlight. My shots in slightly murky water or beneath shaded coral overhangs turned out extremely grainy, losing the crisp detail that DJI advertises so heavily in their marketing materials. Another frustrating element I encountered during my dives was the touchscreen interface's reliability once wet. Even though it is designed to be waterproof, water droplets on the screen completely confuse the touch sensors when you pop above the surface to change settings, often leading to missed shots while I fumbled with the menus. 6. GoPro Hero 13 Black. It is hard to go anywhere near the ocean without seeing a handful of these strapped to divers' heads, so I naturally took one along on several testing expeditions to see if the newest iteration lived up to the massive hype. GoPro has certainly refined their formula, and the Hero 13 Black feels incredibly solid in the hand, boasting their signature rugged, waterproof without a case design that inspires a lot of confidence when you first jump off the boat. One of the standout features I immediately appreciated was the hyper-smooth stabilization, which has been tweaked to near perfection in this model. Even when I was battling surge in a tight swim-through, the footage looked like it was shot on a professional cinema reel. The addition of the new HB series lens compatibility is also a neat trick, allowing for macro or ultra-wide mods, which theoretically opens up a lot of creative avenues for shooting tiny nudibranchs or massive whale sharks. But despite these impressive specs on paper, my actual experience shooting still photography underwater with the Hero 13 Black was surprisingly underwhelming. GoPros have always been video-first machines, and that legacy continues to hurt its capabilities as a dedicated stills camera. The shutter lag when pressing the physical button underwater is just long enough to ensure you miss the exact moment a fish darts past or a turtle blinks, leaving you with a lot of beautifully stabilized photos of empty water. Furthermore, much like the DJI, the GoPro Hero 13 Black suffers tremendously when the available light drops. During a wreck dive at 60 feet, the footage and photos became muddy, with the camera heavily compressing the shadows and introducing a massive amount of digital noise. 5. SeaLife Micro 3.0 64 GB. Unlike action cameras that are adapted for water, SeaLife designed this unit exclusively for divers, and that intention is incredibly obvious from the moment you pick it up. During my tests in the Caribbean, the permanently sealed design gave me immense peace of mind. There are no O-rings to grease, no battery doors to accidentally leave unlatched, and zero risk of flooding the camera, a feature that removes the biggest anxiety of underwater photography. The ergonomics of the Micro 3.0 are a breath of fresh air compared to tiny fiddly action cams. It features 3 wide piano-style keys that are specifically spaced out so you can easily press them even while wearing thick neoprene dive gloves. Navigating the menus underwater was an absolute joy. I didn't have to wrestle with wet touchscreens or memorize complicated button combinations, allowing me to keep my focus entirely on the marine life in front of me. Image quality is where the SeaLife Micro 3.0 really starts to differentiate itself from the bottom of our list. It houses a 16-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor that captures beautiful, high-resolution stills that hold up impressively well when printed or viewed on a large screen. What I loved most during my testing were the built-in underwater color correction modes. Whether I was diving in blue oceanic water or green, algae-rich environments, the camera internally adjusted the white balance to bring back those vibrant reds and oranges without needing external filters. The inclusion of 64 gigabytes of internal memory and a built-in battery that easily lasts for 3 hours of continuous diving meant I never had to open the camera between surface intervals. Number 4. OM System Olympus TG6 Red. I have taken this little red tank on more dives than I can count, and it continually astounds me with what it can achieve. Built tough enough to survive drops, freezes, and crushes, the TG6 is waterproof down to 50 feet completely on its own. However, when paired with its dedicated underwater housing, it transforms into an unstoppable macro photography beast that rivals cameras 5 times its price. The true magic of the TG6 lies in its legendary microscope mode. When I first tested this feature on a muck dive, I was blown away by its ability to focus on subjects practically touching the lens. I was able to capture the intricate, microscopic details of a tiny pygmy seahorse, filling the entire frame with its textured skin and eye patterns. The camera's built-in focus stacking feature is incredibly useful here, automatically combining several images to ensure the entire tiny subject is in sharp focus from front to back. Beyond its macro capabilities, the Olympus TG6 offers a fantastic array of dedicated underwater white balance settings. It features specific modes for shallow, mid-depth, and deep water, taking the guesswork out of color correction. I found that as I descended down a reef wall, simply clicking over to the deep setting instantly restored the natural warmth of the corals and sponges, producing JPEGs that looked incredibly vibrant straight out of the camera. The ecosystem surrounding the TG6 is another reason it claims the number 4 spot. There is a massive array of wet lenses available that you can screw on and off while underwater. During a single dive, I was able to shoot extreme macro of a nudibranch and then instantly attach a wide-angle dome to photograph a passing reef shark. 3. SeaLife SL405 Ultra Without Light. When I first heard about taking my expensive flagship smartphone down to 130 feet, I was extremely skeptical. However, after rigorous testing, the sport diver housing completely shattered my expectations and proved to be one of the most exciting tools I have used in years. The genius of the SL405 is that it leverages the massive computational photography power already sitting in your pocket. Modern smartphones have incredible sensors and sophisticated image processing algorithms that often outperform dedicated point-and-shoot cameras. By securely locking my phone into this robust polycarbonate housing, I was instantly able to use my device's ultra-wide and telephoto lenses underwater. The resulting images were stunningly sharp, with the phone's smart HDR effortlessly balancing the bright surface sun and the dark shadows of the reef structure. What truly sold me on the sport diver was its meticulous focus on safety. Before you even get near the water, the housing uses an internal vacuum pump to seal the unit and runs a diagnostic check to ensure absolute water tightness. I felt completely secure jumping off the dive boat, knowing that the dual leak alarms, both visual and audible, were standing guard. The Bluetooth connection to the dedicated SeaLife app was flawless, allowing me to seamlessly control the shutter, zoom, and exposure using the large, glove-friendly trigger on the housing. The inclusion of a removable underwater color correction filter is a simple but massive benefit. Snapping the red filter into place while diving at 60 feet instantly neutralized the heavy blue wash of the ocean, giving my photos rich, accurate colors without the need for expensive external strobe lights. Number 2. Canon EOS R5. When I stepped up to testing full-frame mirrorless cameras underwater, the R5 was the rig that truly blew my mind. Encased in a sturdy Nauticum housing, taking this camera underwater feels like wielding the ultimate photographic weapon. The 45-megapixel sensor provides an astonishing level of detail. I could zoom in on a photograph of a moray eel and clearly count the individual scales and textures on its face. One of the most profound advantages of the R5 in the underwater realm is its legendary autofocus system. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, combined with animal eye tracking, feels like absolute magic beneath the waves. While shooting a fast-moving pod of dolphins, the camera effortlessly locked onto their eyes through the water and maintained focus track as they darted around me. This completely eliminated the frustration of missed focus that plagues so many underwater photographers, ensuring every single shot in my burst sequence was tack sharp. The low-light performance of this full-frame sensor is a total game-changer for deep wrecks and cave diving. I pushed the ISO up to levels that would have rendered other cameras unusable, yet the R5 delivered remarkably clean, noise-free images. This allowed me to use faster shutter speeds to freeze motion even in the dimmest conditions. Paired with dual external strobes, the dynamic range the sensor captures is phenomenal, preserving the brightest highlights of the sunbursts and the deepest shadows inside shipwrecks perfectly. Shooting video alongside stills on the R5 is equally breathtaking, offering gorgeous 8K RAW capabilities that give you ultimate cropping flexibility in post-production. The in-body image stabilization works in tandem with the lens stabilization to effectively kill the micro jitters caused by water surge, resulting in buttery smooth footage. Number 1. Nikon Z8. If you want the absolute pinnacle of underwater photography, this camera represents a monumental leap forward in technology. Taking the flagship features of the massive Z9 and shrinking them down into a more compact, travel-friendly body makes the Z8 the ultimate underwater tool. From my very first dive with this masterpiece, it fundamentally changed how I approach shooting marine environments. The most revolutionary feature of the Nikon Z8 for underwater use is its complete lack of a mechanical shutter. By relying entirely on a lightning-fast stacked CMOS sensor, the camera is completely silent and suffers from zero viewfinder blackout. When I was photographing a skittish thresher shark, the absence of blackout meant I never lost sight of the animal during a massive burst of photos. I could track its erratic movements flawlessly, capturing 20 frames per second of 45.7 megapixel raw images without missing a single nuance of its tail whip. The autofocus system on the Z8 is borderline telepathic. It features specialized 3D tracking and deep learning subject detection that cuts through murky water and backscatter with astonishing precision. During a challenging muck dive with low visibility, the camera easily identified and locked onto the eye of a camouflaged frogfish hiding among the sponges. It holds focus with a tenacity I have never experienced in any other system, allowing me to compose my shots creatively without constantly fighting the AF points. Nikon's color science is beautiful above water, but it truly sings beneath the surface. The Z8 handles the complex lighting of underwater environments, balancing ambient blue light with the powerful burst of external strobes with incredible grace.